Hey, Jerry. Hey, way to wear it out, boy, Jerry. Whoa. Let's go.
Ces balles toutes blanches que vous voyez voler sur le terrain sont une courtoisie de Rawlings, la balle officielle de Baseball Canada et des championnats nationaux. Les balles Rawlings ont un revêtement de cuir de qualité, des coutures spéciales et sont composées d'une laine de première qualité. Rawlings est également le bâton et le casque officiel des équipes nationales de Baseball Canada et fournit également un bâton au récipiendaire du prix du meilleur frappeur du tournoi. Assurez-vous de visiter rawlings.com.
Just because of that, just because of watching him, he was really yeah. But you know what? I'm not telling you, she was making the whole episode. Yeah. No, this is Rowan's entry.
Let's go, Joey. Here you go.
It's gone through as if
Body number 11, out of ST, number 11.
because exactly. You know how to
Good eye. Let's go now. Griffin Rip out there. Griffin Rip. Okay, you're set now.
bend over, let's see. I'm telling you, use the latex thing from now on.
You're going to wander over?
Good eye.
Bothered to change gloves.
Gotta be you, kid. Gotta be you. Wants to go.
Like when they were taking my ID. No,
There you go. You're on it. Square it up now.
I downloaded my boarding pass onto my phone. I will never do that again. Stupid. Really? Well, we never did it before. It was to avoid all the paper, right? You have to print a receipt. Yeah. So I might as well print a boarding pass. Yeah.
Good eye.
Let's go, boys. Let's go. Here we go.
Come on, Adam, let's go now. Let's go, Adam.
Another one here. Let's get another one here. Let's go now. Back now. Come on, Joey. Here we go.
Good eye. Work that count, kid. 3-0. Be patient. Wait for your pitch. And drive it. Okay, you're set now. You saw it. Griffin Rip now.
Come on, Adam, like you can now.
Here you go.
First time ever for anything. You got brand new field. Oh, should be. Yeah.
Get over. Get over.
This is definitely the most expensive bracelet I have.
Let's go, Adam.
I saw a nice silver one.
Yeah.
Looked inside, but
Good hit, Adam. Good hit.
there you go, Adam. Good job, kid.
Number 10, Jason Doucette.
Go, Dewey.
Nice play.